Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to school. It's the summer term 2021. A confusing number, I agree, 2021. And it's our first almost completely normal summer term ever at North Worcester, because we were here last summer, but we were in little bubbles and it was all a bit strange and peculiar. But this year, we're all in our own classrooms. The world is becoming a more normal place again, which is super exciting. I'm hoping by the end of term, we might even be able to have live assemblies back in the school hall where we can all come together. And maybe, if we're really lucky, we could have a celebration assembly with our parents there on a Friday afternoon before the end of term. So that's what we're looking forward to. But it's just been Easter, which is, I think, one of the best holidays because the sun was shining. There's Easter eggs, there's lots of things growing in the garden, and it's a really exciting time of year in spring. So welcome back, everybody. We're so glad you're all here. Sorry for anybody who's a bit poorly and hasn't made it back this morning, but we look forward to you coming back in a couple of days' time. And I was going to read a story this morning because I walked down to preschool and I noted that there was a few new children in preschool today, and they were a little bit nervous. And I understand that. Our first day anywhere can be a little bit nerve-wracking. So I thought I'd read a story about being brave. And this book is called Flamingo is Brave, a book about feeling scared. Because sometimes when we start something new, it can be a little bit terrifying, can't it? So we don't want anybody to feel scared at North Worcester because this is a friendly and fun place to be, where we do lots of learning and we do lots of thinking and lots of spending time with our friends and with grown-ups and working really hard. So I thought we'd read this book, Flamingo is Brave. Now, anybody in year one might remember I read some of these books last year. Flamingo was scared of lots of things. He was scared of spiders. He was scared of the dark. And this is one that sometimes gets me, although it's funny because I am quite noisy. He was scared of loud noises. Loud noises can be a bit scary when you're not expecting them. Is anybody here scared of spiders? There's no need to be scared of spiders in this country. And is anybody here scared of the dark? At school, he was scared of playing football. He was scared he might kick the football the wrong way. Well, he was very nervous, isn't he? He was scared of reading out in class, even though he was a really good reader. At playtime, Flamingo was scared of playing hide and seek because he was worried he might get lost. When Flamingo got scared, he hid his head under his wing. Let me show you what that looks like. Can you hide your head under your wing? He shivered and he shook and his knees knocked together. Flamingo didn't like being scared. He wanted to be brave because that's the opposite of scared. Scared, and then the opposite is brave. On Friday, Monkey had some exciting news. It was his birthday the next day, and everyone was invited for a sleepover in his garden. Well, everyone was very excited, except for Flamingo. He was scared. What if a spider got in the tent? What if it got too dark? What if they played hide and seek and he got lost? Oh, Flamingo was sad. And sometimes when you're very nervous about things, it can make you sad as well. And Flamingo was feeling sad. Flamingo went to find Grandpa. Grandpa was busy in the garden. Does he look busy in the garden? He looks like he's having a nice day, doesn't he? Flamingo told Grandpa his worries, and he said he wished he could be brave. Grandpa said when he felt scared, he pulled back his shoulders, he lifted up his chin, and he took a deep breath. Let's all do that. Sit up straight, shoulders back, deep breath. A deep breath can really calm you down if you're feeling a bit nervous. Flamingo did the same. He pulled back his shoulders, he lifted up his chin, he took a deep breath, and he felt a little bit better. Grandpa said everybody got scared sometimes. And when he was a little bird, he was scared of swimming. Well, Flamingo was surprised. He loved swimming. He loved it very much because it was so much fun. Grandpa said he thought the water looked scary. And he said that his friends had helped him and he soon loved swimming. Flamingo said he could ask his friends to help him, and Grandpa thought that was a great idea. So Flamingo went to see his friends. He told them all about his worries. He said that he wanted to be brave, and his friends said that they would help him. They're good friends, aren't they? If you're feeling a bit nervous about something and your friends say, don't worry, we'll work on that together. Those are good friends. So, oh, look, I think it's the night of Monkey's sleepover. The next day, it was Monkey's party. First of all, they played hide and seek. Flamingo felt scared. He remembered what Grandpa had said, and Flamingo pulled back his shoulders, lifted his chin, and took a deep breath. And he felt better. Everyone joined in the game. Everyone had fun, and Flamingo didn't get lost at all. Soon it was time for bed, and suddenly a spider scurried across Flamingo's bed. But Monkey showed Flamingo how to catch a spider in a glass, and Flamingo wasn't scared at all. It got darker and darker, and Flamingo worried that it would get too dark. But Tiger lent him his torch, and the dark wasn't scary at all. Everyone said Flamingo was very brave. Just then, everyone heard a strange noise. Everyone thought it was a monster, and they hid. But Flamingo pulled back his shoulders, he lifted his chin, and he took a deep breath. And he peeped outside the tent. Wonder what it was. It wasn't a monster at all. It was Monkey's big toy tractor, and that wasn't scary at all. Everyone laughed and said that Flamingo was very brave indeed. And Flamingo felt proud. He liked being brave. Look how proud he looks. It's so much better being brave than being scared. So that's a really interesting story because Flamingo is in a situation where he knows there's lots of things that could make him nervous. And then it's a bit like coming back to school, or it's a bit like starting preschool, like those children today. There might be things that make them feel a little bit nervous, but there was one really key thing that they said to do, wasn't there? If you feel nervous, stand up tall, put your shoulders back, lift your chin, and take a deep breath in and out. And it can really calm you down, and it can help you be a little bit more brave. So that's my thought for this week. We need to think about how we can be brave. And sometimes there are things we're going to think, oh, I don't want to do that. But actually, it might be okay. And probably it's going to help us, especially if we're in school. And there's no need to be afraid of the dark or of spiders. Spiders in this country are great. They do lots of good for us and they help us. So I would like you all to have the most wonderful, wonderful first day, first week, first half term back where things are almost completely normal again. And I would like you all to work super hard and have a lovely time. So I will see you all later. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you soon. Be good. Bye bye.